Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today is going to be a review and a styling video of these clip-ins from the brand Curlsqueen. If you're interested to see how I installed these clip-ins and also style them, curl them, definitely do stay tuned. So today I'm going to be reviewing some hair clip-ins from a brand called Curlsqueen. This video is as well sponsored by Curlsqueen, so thank you so much for sending me these clip-ins. I feel like this video was kind of important for my channel to make because it's almost like my second most asked question is what type of clip-ins do I use? How do I use clip-ins? So just a little bit about my hair. This is my natural hair, and more or less I always have my natural hair out. It's just with some videos I want a little extra oomph, and then I put in some clip-ins. I've already opened the package I think last week, and I am very impressed with the quality. Everything might look a little jumbled up because like I said, I already took out the hair, but in the bag it came with this beautifully packaged hair that looks like this. It is so thick and it feels so soft, so not like the other clip-ins that I have. I love this hair. So what I got from them is 20 inches. The hair type is premium Brazilian virgin hair. This could last at least 6 months or even longer if you take good care of it. The hair texture is light Yaki silk press. I really wanted this one especially because my hair more or less kind of looks like a silk press when it's done, so I wanted something a little bit that resembles my hair, and I think I got this in the color 1B, so it's not completely black as the same with my hair. I did dye my hair last year jet black, but it's like all grown out. Everything looks kind of dark brown to me, so that's kind of why I got this color. And so that's basically all about the hair. Let's move into me applying the clip-ins and also styling it, doing my natural curls and seeing how it looks on camera. Ta-da! We are now in the bathroom. I'm going to try applying this for you guys on camera just to show you again the contrast between my hair and it. So I'm going to start with the 4 clips parts, so they kind of look like this. It actually did come with 4 clips at one point, but I had to snip it because my head is not that big. And so this is now the new length of the 4 clip one. And just to add, they did actually send extra clips in the package just in case you lose a clip or whatever. I normally just part my hair myself, like I don't use a comb, and I'm just going to brush through the hair like so. There is no rhythm or rhyme to it, so I kind of just clip it in and grip it at the top. And now I'm just going to take another piece, and the way I part my hair, it's very thin, so I don't take a huge section. Like the next section is not going to be a lot of hair. I do it very thin, just because through trial and error I realized when I did that I reached to the top of my head very quickly, and then I would have no hair at the top of my head, and then you can see the clip-ins, and that's not cute. So I try to do them more or less close to each other. I'm going to take the next piece. Okay guys, so we are done. That is basically how I would apply this hair, and as you can see, it's blended quite nice into my hair because my hair is quite straight already, and you can already see that everything is more or less together. What you will see here is obviously my hair, which is cut short at the top, which I have left out, but this is the hair. I absolutely love it, and it just feels like she has a lot of hair. What I'm gonna do now is try to style it and do my normal curls. It is a lot of hair, so I will speed through the process, but obviously show you guys everything. Okay guys, so I'm basically done doing my whole head, and as you can see I've pinned them as well to just retain some heat. This side is just, was not doing a lot. Like, I'm really perfect with how I do my hair and how I curl it, but since it's so long with the extensions, this side was just looking a bit crazy. Anyways, I've pinned everything. I'm gonna now spray it with some hairspray. Just a bit. I don't like spraying my extensions with hairspray, but just a little bit. And then I'm just going to start pulling them out now. I'm just gonna take a brush like this and just brush it out. Everything together. And so this is the finished look. I'm actually in love. Let me know what you guys think. I really quite like it. I love the length. I feel like Pocahontas. I just feel so pretty. You can kind of see that my hair is here, but there's nothing to do about that, and I could not actually put more extensions up here. I love it. And it was very, very easy to curl, so let me know what you guys think. I'm actually really loving these clip-ins from Curlsqueen. Nothing forced here, nothing forced to say. Genuinely, these are my new clip-ins. I will be leaving a discount code here on the screen and also in my description box. Definitely do check out Curlsqueen if you want to grab yourself clip-ins. They also have different types of clip-ins. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.